Hello, in this video I'll show you how to see the location and the IP address on Ome TV. Now it's an extremely easy process. So what you do is just simply open Ome TV on a browser. So again, it is not going to work on the Android or iOS device. It's only going to work on the browser because we are going to use the extension on Google Chrome. Now, usually what will happen is when you will start any type of chat, it will only show you the country right over here at the very bottom. Now I'm going to show you exactly how to see the exact location of the people and their IP address. So first let me stop this. So first I'll change it to all countries. That will make it more easier. Now what you have to do is just simply open a new tab and search for Ome TV extension. And then you should see this video chat extension IP locator. Now this was originally used for Omegle, but the software behind Omegle and Ome TV is quite similar, so it's going to work on this one as well. All you have to do is open this particular extension and then just simply add this to your Chrome browser. Then click on add. Now once it is added, just simply pin it by right clicking on it and then pin. Now once it is done, it will ask you a permission. All you have to do is just simply allow it. Now wait for a few seconds. Now it will automatically scan if you are using Ome TV or not. And as you can see, I've already done it. Now what you have to do is close this panel, go back to Ome TV, refresh the page. Now wait for a few seconds and you should find this particular pop-up that will appear. Then you will have two options. What you want to see, minimalism or the entire data. In minimalism, it will show you a very little detail, and in the full power section, you will get every detail about them. So click on OK. Now it will automatically restart again. Click on close, then hit allow. Now you will find that a new type of panel have appeared right over here. So what you have to do is go to the settings panel. Now in the settings panel, scroll down and in the geolocation section, just simply enable this option and make sure to select all of them if they are unchecked. Now once everything is okay, just simply go back to the IP section and you're all set. Now once everything is all set, all you have to do is just simply click on start, and now just simply watch right over here. You will be able to see the locations. So it will refresh automatically, as you can see right over here. So that's it. And if this video was helpful, please consider subscribing and liking the video.